In this video, I'm going to share to you some tips on why getting the standard version of the Osmo Pocket 3 is good, and share you some alternatives that will make you feel that you got the creator combo. So let's dive into it. You know, I've always wanted to have an Osmo Pocket ever since the Osmo Pocket 1 was released. But when the reviews came out, even the Pocket 2, I was a bit hesitant on investing on those because I think there's something lacking. But when the Osmo Pocket 3 came out, I was really hyped because of the image quality it provides compared to its predecessors. The D-Log-M 10-bit, 1-inch sensor, 4K 120, and its low light capability is insane for a tiny body. But I still waited for the final thoughts of each individuals who bought their own Osmo Pocket since the time it was released. But when the time came that I really wanted to have one, it is sold out. Not just here in the Philippines, but the entire world. So the Osmo Pocket 3 became a rare item. So while I was searching, I found this, a standard version. Not bad actually, because this is the only thing that I need, the camera. And the rest I can buy separately. Of course, the first thing I did was to get a DJI Mic 2, which is the one with a 2 transmitter and 1 receiver. And as you can see, it's not here because it's directly connected right now on my Fujifilm X-H2s. So let me know in the comment section how it sounds. And the reason why I invested on this one instead of just getting the creator combo, which is really rare right now, is because of this. So while I'm using the other transmitter with the receiver, I can just get this. So right now you are hearing the DJI Mic 2 connected to Osmo Pocket 3. So let's compare the sound coming from the Osmo Pocket 3 to the Fujifilm X-H2s. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. So what do you think? And now that I got this too, all I need is a battery. So as we all know, the creator combo came with a battery pack, which is really helpful if you're going to record a long period of time. And even that battery pack from DJI is hard to find these days. I went online and searched for an alternative, and I found this. This is the Start RC, a power bank for Osmo Pocket 3. It functions the same as the original battery bank for the Osmo Pocket 3. And as you can see, guys, it's charging. So yeah, this is a bit long compared to the original battery pack, but it's good for me because I have an extra handle. So we also can put the tripod below, which is pretty neat. This mini cheap tripod that I got online, which has the same build that came with the creator combo. So the Start RC handheld power bank has 4,000 milliamperes of battery compared to the DJI's battery handle with only 950 milliamperes of battery. With a price of $42 or under 2,000 pesos in Shopee, this is really a bang for the buck. But it doesn't have a USB-C data support, meaning you can't transfer files while it is attached to the Osmo Pocket 3. But then again, its main function is to give us an extra battery life and more space to grip your Pocket 3 firmly. So for the price, I think it's a good alternative. It doesn't wiggle, it's sturdy, so I think we're good. And of course, the last thing I got for now for the Osmo Pocket 3 is this. This is a tiny ND filter from K&F Concept. So all you have to do is just, slap it in on the lens. And we got here an adjustable ND filter, which is nice. So what we got here is a variable ND32 to 512, a 5 to 9 stops. And what I like about this is that you can turn off your Osmo Pocket 3 without having to remove it. It is easy to install and taking it off is not that hard. Plus, it fits on the Osmo Pocket case. And so far, based on my first use of these sets, it's pretty good. So I think I'm all set for now. So I'm gonna show you a few footages that I took with these combo. So if you're just like me who wants to have a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 but doesn't have the budget for the creator combo, or you just can't find it anywhere in the market in your country, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 standard version is enough. And you can just buy the other accessories just like what I did. And honestly, Tasters, this camera is worth it. And this is not sponsored by DJI, guys. All of those hyped about the image quality of the Osmo Pocket 3 is 100% true. I can guarantee you that because I've experienced it firsthand. And I'm really happy that I bought this. It's enough for me because like what I said, all you need is the camera. So this is going to be inside my camera bag for most of the time whenever we travel or just in my run and gun setup. This is definitely a good investment. So that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Then again, Tasters, this is Taste Visuals, and together let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video, guys. Taste Visuals, out. Alright, so it's been a while since I posted a long form video here on YouTube, guys. For all of my subscribers, thank you for making past all of the intros. Thank you very much for your support. And again, I wouldn't be here without your support, Tasters. Thank you again, even though I'm not really consistent, but I'm trying to be, and I'm trying to develop this studio of ours to give you a more decent contents visually. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below and see you on my next video.